I'm making a case for vision.
In school, access is key. Case for Vision for iPad gives students magnification tools that fit daily learning. It takes advantage of the iPad's large screen, making it perfect for classroom work.
A student unfolds the legs of a black iPad case, which raises the tablet to view and zoom across a worksheet below.
You can read textbooks and worksheets and see the whiteboard without missing a beat.
At a table, the student points the Case for Vision containing the iPad toward the classroom whiteboard, zooming in on the teacher's writing.
Case for Vision isn't just about magnification. It's about making learning accessible.
The student folds the stand's legs and places it, with the iPad attached, into a backpack.
Whether near or far, there's a case for vision.
On a green background, a cheerful cartoon eye uncurls its legs and blinks. Case for Vision.